Are you seeking a way to break free from the daily grind and achieve greater work life balance and financial freedom? Guess what? I have been in your shoes. Just a few years ago, I made the transition from the tech world to the real estate. Longing for freedom from 9 to 5 routine, my goal was really simple, a stable income not tied to the clock. I began my journey by investing in real estate with my 401k, and the returns and growth were truly remarkable. Looking back, now I realize that had I discovered this opportunity earlier, I could have accelerated my wealth accumulation significantly. But as they say, hindsight is 2020. That's why I'm thrilled to share with you how real estate became my ticket to financial freedom. It offered me passive income, tax advantages, and endless opportunities for investment growth. This shift was not just a career change, it was a complete financial transformation for me. If my story resonates with you, I invite you to join us at Loomba Investment Group. We are committed to empowering individuals like yourself with the tools and knowledge for financial autonomy. Our core values of trust, integrity, and transparency set us apart, driving our commitment to excellence. We are more than just about investments. We are about building communities of knowledgeable and empowered investors. So connect with us by joining our inner circle at loombainvest.com and kickstart your transformation today. I can't wait to see you there. Let's embark on this journey together towards a brighter financial future. See you there.